Good morning, wow kids. So kids, see here. What do I have for you? A moving jellyfish. So kids, let's learn how to make this moving jellyfish. So kids, for making jellyfish, we will need one popsicle stick, one paper plate, one white color sheet, some colorful wools, a blue water paint, a brush, pencil, fevicol and few glitter. So kids, now let's start. So kids, see here I have taken blue paint in a palette and now I will color this inner portion in this way. We will paint it in this way. Yes. So kids, see I have painted the plate and now I will keep it aside for some times to let it dry. So kids, now I will take wool and cut a long string from it. So kids, it will be something like this. And kids, tell me how many legs jellyfish has? Yes, 15 legs. So kids, we will take 15 wool strings, colorful. Yes, kids, you may take wool colors of your choice. So kids, now we will take this popsicle stick and we will color this also in blue color in this way. We will color this popsicle stick. And kids, now we will take this white color sheet and draw the face of jellyfish. And kids, tell me, how does jellyfish look like? Yes, like an umbrella. So we will draw it in a umbrella shape in this way. And now kids, we will cut it. Kids, now let's decorate the face of jellyfish. So kids, we will make a wavy design in this way. Yes kids. So kids, now we will apply glue on this waves like this. Yes, we will apply the fevicol in a wavy position. Yes, but kids, first of all we will put a paper under this jellyfish face like this, and now we will take glitter powder and we will sprinkle on this fevicol in this manner. Yes, see kids, our jellyfish is going to be colorful. Yes, and now we will dust it off in this way. See kids, let's apply other glitter powder also. Apply the glue on the last wave also. So there we go, and it will be colorful. The face of the jellyfish will be colorful. Let's sprinkle the glitter powder on this wavy position. Yes, and now we will dust it off in this way. So see here kids, the face of the jellyfish has turned out so colorful. Now we will apply glue on this doodle eyes and we will stick to the face of jellyfish in this way. Yes, let's do the other one also. And again we will apply the glue on doodle eyes and we will stick on the face of jellyfish in this way. Take the popsicle stick and we will apply little glue on it in this way, and now we will stick it on the back side of jellyfish face in this way. Yes, and we will leave it to dry. So kids, now let's make the legs of the jellyfish. So we will turn this upside down, and now we will apply glue over here. And kids, tell me, how many legs do jellyfish have? Yes, 15 legs. Yes, so we will put these 15 strings one by one. Yes, then here it goes, the first one. Yes, and then the second one. Yes, and in this way, kids, we will stick all 15 strings. So kids, see here, our jellyfish is ready. Yes, and now we will keep it aside to get dry. Now kids, we will take our paper plate and we will cut it from middle. So kids, it will be like this. And kids, for cutting this, take help of your parents. And now kids, we will take our jellyfish and we will put this ice cream stick behind it in this way. Kids, our jellyfish is ready.